G'day, it's Mike here from Countrywide Motor Company, or CWMC Sanson. What have we got here today? Well, this is a 2010 Aliner A'Van. Now, these are a pop-top caravan, so if you've been thinking about buying a caravan but you don't want the size, the weight and the storage hassles, then this will definitely be worth a look. These are built in Australia, and one of the biggest advantages of this, as you can see, it is hard wall construction. So there's no canvas to fold away wet, no canvas to deteriorate in the weather, and no expensive canvas replacements down the track. It's also warmer, quieter and easier to secure than your conventional camper. You can see it's got a little step there that folds out, so you don't have to be lugging one in and out of the camper van. So you can see you've got like a nice little dinette in the front there. Now there is an option, if we can find a board, you can turn that into a extra bed, a single bed. Your rear lounge there turns into a double bed, which is quite convenient. You'll see here you've got a three-way fridge, you've got plenty of storage there. And here is the sink, which folds away nicely, and you've got a nice gas cooker in there as well. Underneath the seats in the lounge you've got all the batteries and whatnot, so you can go off grid. Good sizable fridge there with a little freezer panel at the top. There's accommodation obviously inside there for 2 adults, and the option of that third berth is really good. There is a freshwater tank on board and a Wellaway grey tank, and of course it's got the full battery system as well. As you can see there, it folds down nice and low for easy storage, light towing, no problem in the wind. So there it is, that's our 2010 A'Van Aliner. It's available at Countrywide Motor Company in Sanson for $16,995. Trade-ins are welcome and finance is available.